we're down to the last Mutya. Let's go on Mutya number 4, Ubujan. That smile means confidence.
Yes, I love it.
Okay.
Our final question for the night will be asked by Miss Mayor Rose Santiago. My question is, Mutya sa Tagbilaran has molded generations of empowered women. What is the greatest lesson that you have learned in your Mutya sa Tagbilaran journey?
Thank you. The greatest lesson that I have learned in my Mutya sa Tagbilaran journey is to always follow your heart to where your passion leads you, and most of all, to give importance to your cause. Mutya sa Tagbilaran has been a great venue of my espousal. I am an advocate for solo parents' empowerment and championing the single mothers. Growing up into a family without a father figure, I have witnessed all the challenges that my mother navigated to support our needs. And as a Mutya, I shall exemplify consistency and persistency. I will work with our city officials so we could set a project that would realize my goal, which is to create a program called Padayon Ninahan, where I could lead to provide sustainable livelihood for mothers. Because by supporting the mothers, I could help the children as well. I am Marilab Lopez, and I am a Mutya who cares. Padayon ta sa pagabantang Tagbilaran para sa masasansadong Tagbilaran. As what we say in our city, a sense of amor.
Thank you so much, Mutya number 4. Nabilib ka na.